Let me show you how you can apply for Facebook content monetization. Yes, very, very easy. A lot of people are waiting long time to get their page monetized, but on this video, I'm going to show you the right button to click. So you show your interest that I'm interested in this, your product, so you can apply, and Facebook will get back to you by giving you the setup. Then you set up, then you start making money. It's very easy. If you do this, I guarantee you 2 weeks, your account will get monetized. So let's go to my phone screen.
Don't you know that these people
Wetin
you
dey
are
worry
making
you
this
now?
video for, they are not going to share this video.
So what? See, make I tell you something. My fans no be like that. They will actually.
Is it
share
not
this
these
video,
people?
idiot.
They will
Abeg,
never
be
share
quiet.
this video. They
So
don't
guys,
deserve
make
the
sure you share
tutorial
this video.
that you are
Make
teaching
wetin
them.
you talk no come to pass. So let's go to my phone screen. You are disturbing me. You're making noise. Let us stop. So the first thing you are going to do is, once you get to your phone, search for Facebook. So once you search for Facebook, go to the Facebook page that you want to monetize. This one you are seeing now here is one of my accounts that just got monetized. That is why I get to know about this.
You are just
update that I'm
wasting
trying
your
to share to you
time.
now. So you scroll down. All right. So once you scroll down a little bit, I want to show you. This is how much I have on it. I have, you see, from story $25. So the story already earned a sum of $25. So it is very, very easy. If you really want to make money, make sure you share this video and watch this video to the end. All right, so let me take you now to where we are going to apply. So I will log into this page. So this is the page we are going to use as an example in this video. So pay attention before you go say my updates no do all right. All right, so let's go. Once you log into your page, go to professional dashboard. You see this button where it says monetization. Then you are going to click on see all. All right, so once you click on see all, click on content monetization. Very good. You see, you can see from this place now, you can see the button down where it says I'm interested, learn more. So we are going to show our interest to Facebook that I want to be part of your community, making money on your community. I'm just trying to screenshot something. All right. So when you tell them, then they will approve you. But another thing is, once I click on this place now, you see the way I click it, you see what they say? They say, let us know you are interested in this. All right, so they want you to give them reason why you think they can, monetize your account. So if you have reason, you can decide to put something down. But for me, I will make use of ChatGPT. So I will just screenshot this thing now, take it to ChatGPT. I'll crop it. All right, so once I crop it, I will take it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to help me write about 2 to 3 formats that I can just copy and paste. All right, so you can see I'm already in ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here now, I will just tell ChatGPT that I need a message or a short. Let me just make it like a short message. All right. So let me just type it. Make sure you pay attention to this video. Oh, Mr. Man, you are disturbing me. You are disturbing me and I don't like it. Don't worry, my fans will share this video. Guys, share this video. All right, so I said I need a short message that I can add to this. So they already see my screenshots. So they generate bunch of stuff. So you can see option 1, option 2, option 3. This is why I love AI, making work easy for us. All right, so if you are not using AI, I don't know, you can crack your brain and do yours. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pick the option 2. All right, because it says I have been active and engaging my audience consistently, and I believe joining this program will help me grow and contribute even more. All right, so this one I'm going to copy it, but I'm going to give it a little touch. All right, so I'm going to add that engagement part. I'm going to add engaging my, that is what they say. So I'm going to add engaging with my, so I'm going to add it there. Guys, make sure you share this video. This video is getting long. Let me draw and end it. So I will just correct some stuff. You see, I add with my audience consistently, and I believe joining this program will help me grow and contribute even more. All right. I will be glad to hear from you. Let me just add something so it will not look like AI. Okay. Let's just say thanks for considering my interest. All right. So then you are going to click on the submit button. All right. So you see, after you click on the submit button, all you just have to do is what? Wait for 7 days. And trust me, you come back and thank me later. All right. So you know, pass like that. Now, just very, very. See you in my next video. Peace. Okay, wetin you stand dey do now? Comot for here. You want me and my fans no share this video?
They will not share.
Guys,
They will
abeg
not
make una
share.
help me share. Make this
You are
witchcraft
angry
end.
at me and you think they will share. They will not share. I've used something to capture them. And I've used something. You better wait for me. I'm coming for you.